50 minus 60 equals negative 10, and negative 10 divided by 2 gives us negative 5. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, so here we first do division. 60 divided by 2 equals 30. So 50 minus 30 equals 20. So our final answer to this problem is 20.